we are talking about an existing plant, or if we are in more advanced stages of your project, the piping engineer and the piping technicians will have done the isometrics of the system. So this is for orientation. This document is used by the pipe engineer to build the isometrics. The isometrics that shows the fittings, each fittings that installed in your plant design. It shows the roads, the specific road that is used to transfer a liquid from a point to another. So in piping isometrics, usually we have a list of materials, we have the quotations also, we have the usually it can be scaled or not, but you will have the codes here. Okay, let me. So we have the curve. So you see that we have a T here. We have something to fix the piping. You have the length from one point to another, and when you need to do more detailed calculation related to the system curve, when you need to do more detailed calculation related to system curve, you need to use the isometrics, because here you will see each fittings, as I told you, curves. If we have check valves there, it will be available here. If we have manual valves, it will be available here, control valves also, and etc. So the isometrics is like the radiography or the RX of your pipelines. You will see each millimeter that was installed in the field. And this document is available also from Have Baron in the slide share. So you can look for his slide share and take this drawing, okay? For my Process Booster members, my training program, I share some documents, real documents with them. But here for public presentation, I prefer to use something that is already available in the internet.